Do you know that you have extra Solanas in your Solana wallet? It could be 1 Solana, 5 Solanas, maybe less or maybe more, but you never really know about it. But in this video, I'm gonna make sure that you know how to claim back your locked Solanas in only 1 minute. So the first things that you guys want to do to claim your locked Solanas is to come to this website called rentsolana.com. First of all, you want to select the wallet, click on Solflare, and wait until it's connected. So it is fully connected. I'm gonna bring you guys here to have a look on the balance that I have. I have a 0.05 Solana balance. I feel like this is a crucial part, you guys, so that your balance should support the fees network. And this is all about it. So we're gonna come down to here. So as you guys can see, we have the total available balance is 0.013 SOL. This is what is actually available to be claimed back. And we're gonna get down here a bit. So we have two cases. The first case is called the let's burn it first. The second one is the ready to claim. So the difference between these two cases is that in this one, these token accounts have some few balance that should be burned first and then claimed. But in this one, it is fully ready to be claimed. And you can guys, as you guys can see in here, we have to select all. And in my case, I'm going to select all of it, but you can deselect any of the token accounts as much as you actually want. So we're going to get down right here. We have the total amount selected. We're going to claim and wait for a few seconds. Okay, so we have this right here, and we're going to confirm the operation. And as you guys can see, we have right now this button in here telling us that these Solanas are fully claimed, and we're going to make sure about that in our Solana wallet. So as you guys can see, there is obviously some extra SOL. So we started off with 0.05 sols. Now that we are at 0.06 as a total balance of our Solana wallet, which means that there is extra Solanas added. So I know you guys might be wondering where this Solana came from. So basically, when you trade Solana, either buying Solana or selling it, that automatically makes a new token account created. And every single time this token account is created with a 0.002 fee. Okay, and this website, it is obvious what it does. It helps you get back these fees whenever you want and in a very, very, very short period of time, as shown in this instructive video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to be as clear, as brief as possible because it is actually this easy to claim back your Solanas. And see you in the next upcoming videos.